Oh, I wonder who that could be. Hello? Yeah, I'm Mike. Alright, cool. Yeah, thanks, man. I got a package. Alright, let's see. It's from YouTube, and it's addressed to me. Huh. Let's see what's inside of it. And here it is. The one-of-a-kind, handmade, Purple Heart and Maple YouTube play button for reaching 1,000 subscribers. I must be dreaming. Yes, this is a Purple Heart and Maple. Yes, it's a one-of-a-kind. But no, it did not come from YouTube. This was just my way to celebrate the 1,000 people that took time out of their day to watch videos, comment, like, and subscribe to Woodcraft 716. I made this kind of as a joke for the video, but the whole time I was making it, I was thinking about the comments and the friendships and the support that I've had over the last 6 months. And so this little fake plaque that I made turns out to have a lot of sentimental value to me now. And I'll put it up, and when I see it, I will think of all the people that have supported me along the way. I'm really excited about a series of videos that I'm going to start a playlist about how to run a profitable small wood shop, say out of your garage. We'll cover things like how to advertise, where to advertise, production runs, how to be more efficient, what products are selling, how to price them, stuff like that. And we're going to start a business folder, and we're going to keep it in there for tips, tricks, and everything small business. I'm also excited about the build videos, the tool reviews, the shop projects we have coming up. These are all things that I think can add value to you and the channel. I really look forward to the comments. I love answering all the questions. I've bonded friendships over these just comments. People I've never met before that have the same interest as I do and want to help each other. So if you have any ideas on videos you'd like to see or things you'd like to learn about, let me know in the comments below. So I hung my plaque up on my door, so every time I look at it, I'll be inspired by all the people that have left me comments, liked, and subscribed to this channel. I think it's pretty cool. I did want to point out that there's a small group of YouTubers which I follow and they follow me, and we have all become friends. We bounce ideas off each other, and without their support, I could have never made it this far as well. So thank you to them. Thank you to all the subscribers. It's been a wild ride, and I expect it to get a little crazier. I really appreciate it. This is a big milestone for me, although I've celebrated all the little milestones along the way. You know, 1 subscriber here, or hey, I got 3 subscribers in a day. You know, that all adds up, and I remember every one of those goals that I've met along the way. And I couldn't have done it without you. So if you like woodworking videos and you want to see tips, tricks, build videos, how-tos, and some business end, subscribe to this channel at Woodcraft 716. And remember to always create and inspire. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.